Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will tell you about how to buy Bitcoin on MoonPay with your debit card. It's very simple, so let's see how you can do it very easily. MoonPay is a financial technology company and a global payment solution provider that facilitates the buying, selling, and swapping of cryptocurrencies, offering on and off-ramp service for fiat and crypto exchanges. So, how you can buy crypto with your debit card? For this, first open your MoonPay app and log into your account. After login with your credentials, then from the home page you will see an option Bitcoin here. Just tap on it. Then select from this page, select buy Bitcoin. Then enter your Bitcoin amount, how much you want to buy. Then select enter your Bitcoin wallet address. Then after entering your Bitcoin wallet address, review your amount, then tap on continue, and then tap on add a payment method. If you want to buy with debit card, just tap on it, then enter your debit card details and tap on continue, and that's it. That's how you can buy crypto with your debit card from MoonPay.